TikTok Shop Affiliate is one of the craziest money-making opportunities right now. In my last YouTube video, I tested it out to see if it works, and here's a little update from that. So that is $133,000 in revenue, $13,400 in profit. That's just for the month of March so far, and there is still 7 days to earn money. I started this only a month ago, and I managed to do this without showing my face in any of my videos. So in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a basic rundown of some of the stuff that I know, and in future videos, I'm gonna go more into detail with each topic for those of you who need the extra help. And just to be clear, this is TikTok Shop Affiliate, not TikTok Shop Seller, meaning you just get commissions for posting videos about products. You don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, returns, reviews, and all that sort of stuff. Let's start off by talking about how to sign up for TikTok Shop Affiliate. TikTok requires you to have at least 5,000 followers to be eligible. However, tons of gurus on the internet say that you can do it with less than 5,000 followers. By the way, they're lying to you. I also listened to the gurus and signed up with 4,000 followers, but I got lucky enough to get over 5,000 followers before TikTok patched it. I'm not going to say that it's impossible because there's still tons of people having success with accounts under 5,000 followers. However, a lot more people lately have been experiencing their accounts getting banned or getting 0 views on every post through a loophole account. All I will say is, if you do the loophole method, make sure your content is really good, and also do not add a bunch of products to your showcase right away because TikTok will catch on. So in order to get to 5,000 followers, you're going to have to grind out some posts to get there. Or if you want to save yourself some time, you can buy an account. I personally use FameSwap. The lowest price you'll find for an account on there is $100. So for that price, you might as well get an account that has at least 10K followers. The process of buying through there takes about 5 to 7 days, and make sure that you use the escrow process because otherwise you have a 99% chance of getting scammed. And before you buy a TikTok account, make sure that it's based in a country that's eligible for TikTok Shop, and make sure it has 0 violation points. After you buy an account with over 5K followers on it, do not delete any old posts on it. If TikTok sees a lot of followers but no posts, they can ban you for having fake followers. So just private the old posts on it to have proof of likes on your account. One last way that you can get an account is just asking your friends or family members and see if they have any TikTok accounts with over 5K followers and offer them some money. For whatever reason, if you want to still try the loophole method to get a TikTok Shop account with less than 5K followers, there's tons of YouTube videos out there explaining how to do it. That's your choice, but I personally would not do it. Next, I'm going to show you how to find good products to promote. The first thing you can do is check around your house to see if anything that you already own is on TikTok Shop. If you do, the chances are it might not perform well, but it still doesn't hurt to try and post a few videos on it. Once you're done with that, you're probably going to need to buy a product off of TikTok. You don't need to do what I did and spend $350 on products. Just do some really good research and pick one product that you think will do really well. Now when I'm looking for a good product to promote, here's a list of questions that I ask myself. Does the product have over 2,000 sales? Does the product have a 4-star rating or higher? Is the product relevant? Is this product something that I would actually use? Is the commission of the product over $5? Is this product affordable for the general public, usually under $50? Does this product solve a common problem? Can I come up with at least 5 good video ideas for this product before I buy it? Is this product on a big discount or sale? And last, can this product be given to someone as a gift? Now, everything on that checklist doesn't have to be checked off in order for me to consider it a good product, but the more the merrier. The most important one to me is if I'd actually use it myself, because if I would use it myself, then it'll make me a naturally better salesman, and if the product doesn't perform well, then it's not a complete loss because I needed it anyways. Now I'm going to talk about how to make a good video for a product. The most important part of your video is the first 3 to 5 seconds, the hook. If you can get 20% of viewers to watch the first 3 seconds of your video, then you have a good chance of your video hitting at least 10,000 views. Make sure that the hook of your video has no pauses, it gets straight to the point, and it evokes some sort of emotion from the viewers. Here's the hook to my video that has over 10 million views. Once you get this thing, I swear you're going to be using it every single day. This video has both a verbal hook and a visual hook. The visual hook is the text at the top that says, "I upgraded my remote work setup with this," which sparks curiosity out of the viewers. Then the verbal hook says, "I swear you're going to use this every day," which sparks controversy and curiosity. The controversy in this hook leads to a lot of people commenting that they wouldn't use this every day, it's not that special, and then the people that do enjoy the monitor comment back at them to defend it, and more comments boosts the video even more. After the hook, you want to list 2 to 3 good selling points about the product. Not only did I list 2 selling points in this video, but I also sparked 2 more emotions: humor and sexuality, by putting the HDMI cord in the wrong hole. This made a lot of people with dirty minds comment about that part, which once again boosted the video even more. Make sure that when you're recording a video, you're very confident, but you also don't try too hard. You don't want to sound like an advertisement, but you also don't want to bore everyone to death. The final part of the video is the call to action. This is where you tell viewers to buy the product. When doing this, you need to give people a reason to buy the product right now and not later. The two things that you need to push on your viewers are urgency and scarcity. If the product is on a discount, tell the viewers that it's on a discount. Now tell the viewers that it's a limited time discount, and now you've added urgency. Now instead of making people buy with their logic, you're making them buy with their emotions, which makes their decision to buy the product a lot easier. Before you post a video, it is very important to help TikTok figure out who the target audience of your video is. TikTok is a huge search engine like Google, and you can easily take advantage of that. First, you need to make sure that the video you recorded verbally mentions keywords about the product several times, otherwise the rest of these steps will not do anything. Next, you want to add keywords as text in the TikTok editor. After that, you want to include some hashtags. Some need to mention the name of the product, some need to mention the industry that it's in, and some need to mention what problem it solves. This is very important because on my video that went viral, I targeted specifically people who work from home and do remote work. This monitor is also good for gaming, but if I added tags about gaming, I guarantee that video would not have even reached 100,000 views. Another thing you can do is include text in the thumbnail like this. And finally, if you used an original sound, you can change the name of the sound to the name of the product. If you did this correctly, then the search bar above the video will say what the product is about. If you did it incorrectly, it will say find related content. If you can follow this framework and post at least twice a day, you'll have a viral video and make a ton of commissions as long as you stay consistent. Just make sure that if a video flops, try to look at it and see why, and try to improve a little bit with each video. Also, a lot of TikTok shop videos don't go viral right away. Some of them take weeks or even over a month before they start to pick up. Now let me give you guys a few things to not do. Do not delete any of your TikTok shop videos. Like I said, if a video flops, it can pick up later down the line, and deleting videos actually hurts your account in terms of the TikTok algorithm. If you really need to, you can private a video or set it to friends only. Number 2, do not repost a video twice or use the same clip in more than one video. TikTok has an AI that scans every video on the app, and if you repost something, TikTok will mark your video as not eligible for the For You feed. With this, you should also make sure that every video doesn't look the exact same, and you should use different hooks and different words in different orders in your videos. Number 3, if you have a product that's similar to one on TikTok Shop but not the exact product, don't promote it. They know it's a knockoff and they will find out. You will get violation points for this one. Number 4, do not show other brand logos except for the product that you're promoting. Number 5, do not guarantee results to viewers from a product, and also don't give any sort of medical advice. Those are the big 5 things that I stay away from. There's probably more that I don't know of, but they're probably common sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is meant to be for beginners, and I know that was kind of a lot to take in such a short amount of time, but if you do everything that I said in this video and you stay consistent, then you'll have a pretty good chance at being successful with TikTok Shop Affiliate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment on this video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos on TikTok Shop Affiliate.